In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save as PDF in GIMP. Before we export, make sure you've completely finished editing your image in GIMP. Think of this as your final check. Adjust colors, touch up any layers, and confirm the image looks exactly the way you want. Exporting creates a separate file for sharing or printing while your editable project stays in GIMP. To create a PDF, go to the top menu and choose File, then Export As. This is important because GIMP doesn't use Save or Save As for PDFs. Those options are meant for GIMP's native project format, which keeps all your layers and settings intact. Export is how GIMP creates files for other formats, including PDF. In the Export dialog that appears, choose where you want to save the file. Click the Name field and type a clear file name. Be sure to add .pdf at the very end of the name. That .pdf extension tells GIMP you want a PDF file, not a different format. This won't overwrite your GIMP project, it just makes a separate PDF copy you can share. Now, click Export. You'll see a PDF Export Options window. Depending on your version of GIMP, you may see settings like exporting layers as pages. If you want a multi-page PDF, enable the option that turns layers into pages. In that case, GIMP will use your layer stack as the page order. If you only need a single-page PDF, leave that unchecked and it will export what you see on the canvas as one page. You can leave most other options at their defaults unless you have a specific requirement. The defaults typically balance file size and visual quality well. If you're sending the PDF for review or email, a smaller file is usually fine. If you're preparing it for print or archiving, lean toward higher quality settings where available. When in doubt, the standard settings work for most needs. Once you've confirmed the options you want, click Export again to finish. GIMP will generate the PDF in the location you selected. That's it. Your image is now saved as a PDF that you can open with any PDF reader or share with others. As a quick recap, finish your edits, use File and Export As, name the file with .pdf at the end, click Export, review any PDF options, especially the layers as pages choice if you need multiple pages, and click Export one more time. You've successfully created a PDF from GIMP without changing your original project.